If you're a people pleaser, it's because you have the craving of approval. Now, the craving of approval is driven by the fear of being rejected. Your self-worth is tied to being liked, being praised, and being held in a high regard. This causes the fear of confrontation, self-sacrifice, and toxic people-pleasing. It's caused by parental neglect, being constantly criticized, and experiences of domestic violence during childhood. Your unconscious mentality is, if I avoid conflict, no one can yell at me. If I always say yes, no one can reject me. The truth is, your kindness is seen as a weakness, and your personality is plastic and pathetic. Your constant pleasing of others is emotional slavery. Here's how to fix it. Stop rejecting yourself and start standing up for yourself. Set boundaries and start saying no. You've been pleasing people for so long that you've actually forgot about yourself. And just remember, this is not about being an asshole. It's about being authentic.